Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Let us first discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty positions. We will then discuss few stocks for tomorrow's intraday selection. Let us begin now. First, let us look at the position on Nifty chart. Yesterday we discussed that Nifty was holding and taking a very good support on this level. Today it broke that level and went down. When we look at this in a 5-minute time frame, it was a very drastic fall from this support level. Now let us understand the Bank Nifty chart. We discussed that Bank Nifty has a very good support on this trend line, and Bank Nifty is yet to test this trend line, and then we can say whether the market direction is to go up or to go down. The direction can be of this way and then go up, or break this, go up and then come down. Currently, the markets are very weak because of the global cues and the global markets. So we can decide the direction of the market only after Bank Nifty and Nifty touch their support levels and take up a movement upside or downside. Now let us discuss about few stocks that I have selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. Always remember that the direction of the market is very important to take up a trade, whether to buy or sell the stock. Now let us learn on how to draw the trend line or predict the direction of the stock. First, in the Tata Consumer stock, we can see that a good support is at this level. The stock is being supported from going below this level. Now let us mark this level with a line. It's clearly observed that the stock is facing rejection at this level. Now let us mark this location. Now this support line is called the demand zone, at which the players are starting to buy the stock, and this level is called the supply zone, from which the stock is made to fall down. There are two possible ways in which the stock can move. First, it can break this level, take a retrace on this line and then go up, or it can break this level, take a retrace and then go down. The entry point for this stock will be above 618 rupees, and the target must be this resistance level which is right above it. Now when we draw an horizontal line, it's exactly at 623 rupees. So that is a very good move for an intraday trading. Now the second stock that I have on my watch list is UPL. As you can see, a rejection in this stock is obtained at this level and a good support is at this level. Now let us draw a horizontal line at the support level and another horizontal line at the resistance level. Now coming to the 5-minute time frame in a daily chart basis, we can clearly see that a pattern is being formed which is called a channel pattern. Now let me draw and show you. These are the resistances on the top level, and this is the support in the downtrend level. As you can see, it's very clear from this diagram that it is inside a channel pattern and it is prepared to take a breakout. We can clearly expect a big move after this channel is broken. The path can be this way. Take a retrace and then go up. My entry in this stock would be somewhere above this channel, which is somewhere around here at 606.20, and the next resistance that this stock is going to face is at this level, which is at 616. That is a very good move of 10 points in an intraday. Now the third stock that I have selected is Cummins India. As you can see, this forms a channel in this range. It is facing rejection at this level and it is having a very good support on this trend line. Now once it has broken this level, it is coming down for a retrace, and after a retrace you can clearly see that the stock is preparing to go up. Now in the previous stock that we discussed, the trend line was this direction. As you can see, all the channel breaking trend lines show this path in the stock. I hope you liked the analysis of today's stocks that we discussed. Let me know in the comment section if you want more videos on analysis of charts and price action. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.